Chiapas, México, hasta Canadá. Aquí con el camarada, bendiciones. Vamos, chiapaneco.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the cows, they sleep tonight. This one is curious. We're actually moving further away. The region here around Palenque in Chiapas, Mexico is famous for having some of Mexico's most beautiful waterfalls. So today I'm gonna find out, does Palenque near I met a traveler last week and he told me that a waterfall here called the Roberto Barrios Waterfalls near Palenque in Chiapas, Mexico is the most beautiful waterfall in the world. And I'm very skeptical, so I'm gonna go check it out and let you guys know if this really is the most beautiful waterfall in the world. Because honestly, I've seen a lot of beautiful waterfalls, so this is a big claim to make. Muy grande. Let's find out. See? He knows, he knows. Hola. Okay, I'm coming.
Roberto Barrios.
Sí, Roberto Barrio, okay.
¿De dónde es? ¿De dónde es usted?
Pardon?
¿De dónde viene?
¿De dónde ella? Oh, Canada. Yeah.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Sí. You will be famous for my 200 subscribers.
200?
Say hello. I really want a beer. No necesito. Gracias. Here it is. The beginning. Let's go see the most beautiful waterfall in Mexico and possibly the world. Miguel is a hero.
Ya viene, ya viene.
¿Cuál es tu nombre, amigo?
Mi nombre es Omar Landero Sánchez. Vengo de acá de Villahermosa, Tabasco. Saludos. Aquí andamos, aquí andamos.
Exactly. Mi amigo.
Olmec Culture of the Mayan. The Olmecas.
An older culture than the Mayans from Tabasco.
En Tabasco, Olmecas.
The Aztecs. Aztecs older? No. Olmec. Olmec.
Olmecas.
You're Olmeca.
I don't know, maybe yes.
We have a real Olmec here. The Olmecs are my favorite. Muy bueno culture. They came before the Mayans.
I hope you can visit this. Let's see.
The Mayan, Olmec.
Maya Olmeca. Olmec.
Olmec. Okay. Olmecs are cool. I'm gonna teach you guys about the Olmecs.